Just love those nails, buddy.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Val's not feeling well. We're kind of afraid of medication. Did you want to talk about this or not?
Yeah.
That they put her on an antibiotic, and this is one that I thought is that one that she can take, but all of her symptoms is saying that she might be getting C. diff from it. So she's miserable. And so she has to stop taking it.
But it's also, the symptoms I have are symptoms of C. diff, but they're also just side effects from the antibiotic.
Yeah.
But they're so bad that I can't tell if they're just side effects or if it's C. diff. So I'm going to stop taking the antibiotics and see if I start to feel better. If I do, then it was just side effects. If I don't, then it's probably C. diff. I've had it enough times that I know what it's like. So, but I just feel miserable. That on top of a sore throat and 2 earaches.
I'm sorry. So today, I'm going to go down. Everybody thinks that the mailbox is blown away because of the winds that are out here. Where's the dog so I don't lean on them?
At the very end.
Okay, we've got a snowstorm and some serious winds going on. You can't see the mailbox from up here. I have to go all the way down to see it. I have to go to the post office. And
I'm stressing because I'm expecting a delivery that might need to be signed for, and they won't bring it up to the porch because
you can't get to it.
Didn't shovel the sidewalks. Because there's not enough hours in the day. And Kevin won't let me go do it.
No, I'm not going to let you do it.
It needs to get done. I'll do it. Just tell me where the shovels are. I'll go out with a dustpan and do it if you don't tell me where the shovels are.
Okay. On that note, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it's pretty brutal out here today. We've got a really strong wind. The snowplow just came by and blocked me, and so I have to dig out. The snow last night pretty much filled in everything that I did yesterday. The mailbox is still attached. I didn't think that would be a problem, although all of you thought it would come off. I just don't know if the mailman can get that this far today. So, let's see. Right now, in this horrible wind, I need to dig out. Okay, so I just dug myself out. It took about 30 minutes. And as soon as I finished, my next door neighbor with the plow shows up. And he will usually clear it for me, but timing is always great for me. So, but I'm out on my way to the mill, post office, and then over to the apartments to see how much damage is over there. So, see you there. Alright, so I'm at the post office, and the wind is pretty bad, and I can't tell if it's snowing or if it's just the wind whipping. all the snow from yesterday's snow all over the place. So, but it's pretty bad out here. So now I need to go to the apartments and snow blow yet again. Oh man, so I just snow blowed this yesterday. It looks like I have 5 more inches, and from the wind I've got snow drifts. And of course the snowplow came this morning and dumped about 3 feet at the front. So, yep. And then look at this wind. I don't think it's snowing, I think it's just the wind. Okay, I did the snow blowing. I'm soaking wet. And it's still snowing. It's quickly filling back up. So I don't know what to do from here. Except to go home, wait for a little break maybe. I don't know. Okay, so I have to run to the bank and run to the store, and I don't know if it's actually snowing or not, but it is blowing, and the snow is just blowing everywhere. And I thought it would be calmed down a little as it got later, but it's actually getting worse. So this is going to be fun because the streets aren't exactly ice-free, so the wind will make this a lot more fun. So, look at this. Yay!
I'm not going to do a live tonight. I'm just not feeling really good, and I'm going to take my meds and I'm going to go to sleep. The one stomach med really puts me out, so I'm going to throw something on TV and just go to sleep to it while Kevin does his work.
That's what I do.
So.
Okay, so I don't think we should do the...
No, I don't want to do the howling.
Because you got 2 earaches, right?
Yeah, I got an earache. Both my ears hurt, my throat hurts, my neck hurts, and then I have this whole stomach thing going on.
Okay, so...
Don't do that!
Well, tired. You're tired too.
Yeah, but when you yawn, it's contagious, and now I have to yawn.
Well, good.
I didn't want to yawn.
Maybe I wanted you to yawn.
I didn't want to yawn.
Well, too bad. You yawn.
You're mean.
Uh-huh. I am manipulating you. You will yawn when I tell you to.
No.
No.
No. I don't do what you tell me to. I'm a bad girl.
Well, so this is gonna be it. We're not.
Can I say goodbye?
No. Would I tell you to?
Goodbye.
God, never works.
Told you I don't do what you tell me to.
So, hope you liked something in this video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, yeah, then don't.
Give us a thumbs up anyway.
Give us a thumbs up anyway. We really need the, what do you call it?
Pat on the back.
Pat on the back, motivation. It's something else, but of course my brain doesn't function this time of night. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
I made her do it.
You suck.